Gentlemen, if you're over 60 and lately your mornings feel slower, your energy fades before the day's even started, and your confidence just isn't what it used to be, listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you isn't some sales pitch or fancy new supplement. It's something simple, real, and proven. I'm Dr. Michael Hayes, a urologist and men's health specialist, and after treating thousands of men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s, I've learned this. Your body isn't broken. It's just waiting for the right support to wake up again. And that support might be sitting in your kitchen right now. A simple vegetable called beetroot. Most men don't realize that after 40, your testosterone drops a little every year. By 60, your hormone levels, muscle tone, and circulation can be much lower than they used to be. That's why you might notice lower morning energy, slower recovery, weaker erections, or that lack of drive you can't explain. But here's the good news. Those changes aren't permanent. Your body can rebuild its strength, blood flow, and energy naturally. It just needs the right boost. Beetroot, yes, the same deep red vegetable most people ignore, is one of the best natural ways to restore male vitality. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. That's a natural compound that relaxes your blood vessels, improves oxygen flow, and increases circulation everywhere, including where it matters most. It's the same pathway that performance medications try to copy, but with beets, your body does it naturally, safely, and daily. When you start adding beets to your morning routine, here's what begins to happen. Your blood pressure starts to improve because your arteries open up and blood flows more freely. Your muscles get more oxygen, so you feel stronger and less tired. Beets also contain boron, a natural mineral that helps support testosterone levels and hormone balance. Plus, the antioxidants inside beets protect your prostate, your heart, and your overall stamina. Over time, this one small habit helps your body feel more alive, stronger mornings, clearer focus, and a boost in confidence that comes from real physical change. Now, how do you take it? Simple. You can blend 1 medium beet with half an apple, a small carrot, and half a lemon with water for a quick morning smoothie. Or you can drink 4 to 5 ounces of pure beet juice about 30 minutes before breakfast. Even roasted or boiled beets with olive oil and lemon work just as well. The secret is consistency. Do it every morning for at least 2 weeks, and your body will start to thank you. If you want to take it a step further, combine beets with garlic and pomegranate. Garlic helps open up blood vessels even more, and pomegranate adds antioxidants that boost nitric oxide and protect your hormones. Just a small mix of beet juice, a teaspoon of crushed garlic, and a few pomegranate seeds makes a powerful morning drink. And don't forget the basics. Stay active, walk at least 20 minutes a day, sleep well, and stay hydrated. These small daily choices work together with beets to bring back that energy, circulation, and masculine power you thought was gone for good. So, gentlemen, if you're over 60 and tired of feeling tired, remember this. Your body hasn't quit on you. It just needs the right signal to fire up again. Start your day with beets, stay consistent, and let nature do the work. You'll be surprised how quickly you feel younger, stronger, and more confident again. I'm Dr. Michael Hayes, and if this video was really informative, make sure to subscribe.